Okay, so this morning looks a little bit different. We are on the Oregon coast in the middle of what has been termed a cyclone bomb. And there were high wind warnings for last night, and so we just pulled our living room slide in. We pulled it in last night before we went to bed, which I'm really glad we did because our house has been a rockin' all night. And not because of the fun thing. It's been bebopping back and forth because the wind has been pushing it around. And we are now debating what we're going to do for the rest of the day and tomorrow because there are high sea wind warnings, high wave. There's some warnings telling us that coastal flooding could happen. And this is where we're staying.
Last night or actually this morning until 11 o'clock, which expired an hour ago, we had wind warnings up to 70-mile-an-hour gusts. And it's still pretty darn windy, so much so that the Coast Guard still has 2 red triangle flags out, which means gale force winds. So between 45 and 59 miles per hour. And small craft advisory, we're supposed to have high surf, 37-foot waves at the beaches, and 27 to 30-foot steep waves out at sea. So it'll be kind of interesting. We'll have to see what happens with the park behind us over there. There's the ocean. So we're technically a low-lying coastal area. Man, it's windy.
Please pour it. Seagull.
This is the weirdest weather.
We're on our way back towards California, and so we're stopping at places that we didn't get a lot of time at the first time through. But one of the places we just stopped at is near Brookings. This is Indian Sands. This is the first day we have seen it without rain.
Ever.
And we've been here for 2 weeks now. We've spent about 2 weeks in this area, and this is the first time we've seen it without clouds and rain. So we wanted to come back up and look at it. It's much drier than the last time we were here.
Yeah, the last time we were here, there was like a river going down this path.
Also, Sue's hair is different.
Yes. I don't know what happened. I cut my hair short and suddenly I'm doing all of the crazy things with it that I probably should have done in high school.
We just 2 days ago had a high surf advisory and breaking wave warning for 30 to 37 feet. So I wonder what this all looked like then. It looks pretty neat right now, but this is low tide. So pretty crazy. Worth coming out here for. Plus, just look at the mist.
It's weird that I can see your breath, but I'm also very warm right now.
Probably like 65 out.
Gosh, why does it feel so much warmer?
Because it's humid. It's like dense humid.
Gosh, these rays of light are phenomenal.
We just cut through there. Not sure how. But we wanted to see if there was a view out here. Needless to say, I don't think there's anybody out here right now. We ended up back where we started. We just did a big loop through the woods. We're gonna go down here and see something. There might be another path down here. It's been pretty cool, even though we went in a big circle. Oh, we made it back to the top. It's a steep hill. Parking lot is over there. Okay.
Oh, look at the size of that mushroom.
Whoa. It's a big mushroom.
Laundry day. My unmentionables. Why are they called unmentionables? Most of us wear undergarments, and everybody knows people wear undergarments. Why do they call them unmentionables? They're underpants. Please do not call them panties. Ew. Ew.